Do you struggle to find a healthy breakfast in the morning? So do I. With so many different choices out there, it's hard to know what is healthy and what is not. My name is Lori Farron. I am your fitness pro and meal prep expert. And today on Meal Prep Monday, I'm going to be showing you a great, quick and healthy snack that you can make in advance, take out the door for breakfast, or you can even use it for an afternoon pick-me-up. So let's get going. This is probably one of my most requested recipes, and I use this a ton when I was in fitness competitions. It's super healthy, packed with protein, has all your macronutrients. So all you're gonna need is you're going to need a blender, because we're gonna mix everything in the blender and we're gonna pour it in the muffin tin. So I've got my oven on and it's preheated up to 400 degrees. These are gonna cook for about 20-25 minutes until they're soft. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use one whole banana and we're gonna dump this here, peel this and put it in. Everything's gonna go in the blender, which is awesome because less dishes, right? So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to use a cup and about a cup of some oats. So you can use quick oats or you can use any kind of oats you want, really, depending if you need special oats, if you're gluten-free or whichever, but these are just regular oats. So about a cup of those. Then here comes our healthy fats. We're gonna use a quarter cup of walnuts, and these walnuts are chopped. So a quarter cup of walnuts here. And then we're gonna add our protein, which is gonna be egg whites. So I like to buy these egg whites pre-done so that I don't have to waste a lot of yolks. So we're just gonna shake these up here, and we're gonna add a cup and a half of egg whites here. You guys make sure you subscribe to my website. It's lorifarron.com. I'll post a link below. I post similar recipes to this, quick, easy, and healthy. So a cup and a half of egg whites right here. This is our protein. These are jam-packed with 8 grams of protein per muffin. So you've only got about 100 calories per muffin, 8 grams of protein. We've got 10 grams of carbs and about 4 grams of fat. So having 2 of these is perfect for a little snack breakfast in the morning. So got that, and then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna add 3 more ingredients to top it off. We have got a little bit of ground cinnamon here. We're gonna add that. Then we have a teaspoon of some baking soda, just so that the muffins can rise. So a little teaspoon of baking soda right here. And finally, we're just gonna add a little bit of cane sugar. I like cane sugar because it's a little lower on the glycemic index than regular white sugar. I'm not really a big fan of white sugar. You can also use something like stevia or another natural substitute. Some agave too is great. So I'm just gonna add a little teaspoon of that, and I think I have all the ingredients in here. Yes, so these are banana walnut protein muffins. And then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna blend it. Just pop it in the blender and blend it, just like this. That's it for like maybe 20-30 seconds, just until it's soft. And then I have a sprayed muffin tin here, and we're just going to fill them up about 3/4 of the way up. And these, I believe, they make about 6 to 8 muffins. You can double the batch to make 2 batches if you want. There's 6, 7 and a half. I should have spread that out better, but that's okay. So then we're gonna bake these 400 degrees, and when these are done, we're gonna take them out, and I like to put them in little baggies or little containers in my fridge, just 2 at a time, and then that's a quick grab and go breakfast or a quick grab and go snack. So if you like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, because that will mean that every Monday you'll get these videos delivered right to you. Thanks guys, have a great day.